Hi guys, welcome to another Tableau session. Here, in the previous videos, we have seen how to add these third-party maps. See, in the background maps, here we have added this Neo WMS and this MB1 is, we used these Mapbox maps to bring the third-party maps into Tableau. So to bring these ones, even for the Mapbox maps, some customizations you have added, and if you want to reuse those maps, then you need to save those maps at some place. So how to save these maps into Tableau? For that, if you go down here, you are seeing one option, right? Manage maps. What this manage maps will gives you is, you'll get this one small window. Here, see, this NASA Earth observation map is there, right? Here, as and when you added that into the view, and when you click on this manage maps, you will get the list of all those third-party maps you have added. Just here some options are also there. So if you want to edit, then you can edit and export, and if you want to delete this, you can delete. Here I am using this option to export. So where we will export this? Here in my Tableau repository, if you go to this my Tableau repository, here you are having one folder, my map sources. Go to this map sources. Here already these two are exported. See, NASA WMS. Save. I am clicking on this save. Already with the same name, one this with the name .tms. If you observe here, .tms extension you are getting. This name NASA Earth Observation WMS .tms already exists. Do you want to replace it? I am clicking on yes. Okay, this is how you export. But if when you are exporting here, let me open the documents, my Tableau repository, map sources. Here these files are, see the file type. What is the file type? Tableau map source. You have seen that extension, right? .tms. .tms means Tableau map source. So as and when, now I exported this map to this map sources folder, right? Let me go back to Tableau. I'm closing this. Again, open a new sheet. I am building the country map. I'm taking the sales into the size. Now here I want to get the map that I already saved, the TMS file, the .tms file, that I want to bring it to this country map. How I can bring that? Just go to map, background maps, manage maps. Here you are able to see this import, right? Click on this import. Now either bring this Mapbox 1 map. See here, this workbook already uses a map named this map name with the name MB1 is already in use in this workbook what you are showing here. So if you want to bring that, rename the new map. That means whatever you are bringing into the Tableau, just rename the new map, or replace the existing map with the new map, or discard the new map. So which one you want to use it here? I am replacing the existing map with the new map. Click on OK. See, this is how you import the maps by using this manage maps. Adding means what this add will gives you. Here if you want to add any WMS map, here map service type, whether which one you are adding here, Mapbox or WMS. If you are adding WMS, just enter the URL and click on OK. Okay. So, and if you are adding Mapbox, just select this one, give the style name and enter the URL. So like this you can add the maps directly here also. Whatever the maps that you are adding here, just use this option export and save it in the folder map sources so that you can reuse the maps. This map, under these map sources, whatever the files you are getting, that extension is .tms. These questions are important when you want to clear your certification. So what is a file extension for map sources file? And the type of files that you are saving here are XML files. Okay, these are XML files. Thank you guys.